Oh, hello friends, hello my viewers, hello my subscribers. Welcome all of you back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, this is for the adventure we have been going through in the sociology. I know it has been a nice one, full of fun, and we have acquired some good knowledge about it. And in this video, we are venturing into something new, and that is something that is common to most of us, though we do it unknowingly. But I know sometimes we might do it knowingly, based on your technical know-how. But that is simply termed as plagiarism. So let's dive directly into this world of plagiarism and get to know more about it using this presentation that we have arranged for ourselves to quickly grasp these concepts. Yeah, let's do this from the beginning. And here we go. Plagiarism, as the term goes, the term itself looks to be something criminal. Plagiarism, simply, under plagiarism, what we're going to look at, we'll look at the definition of plagiarism, some of the common types of plagiarism and examples of plagiarism, and lastly we shall conclude with the causes of plagiarism. The reason that's why I'm placing plagiarism in one video is because I want us to grasp everything and learn everything and finish everything today, and quickly remember it without any hesitation. So under plagiarism, let's start by knowing the definition of plagiarism. Plagiarism, though it looks a new term, but something common. Plagiarism simply is intentional negligent use of published work or someone else's unpublished work without acknowledgement of that person. This happens in the case of maybe when you're researching, conducting a research, and you get some information from any other source or from someone, and use it in your coursework or in your results without indicating or acknowledging that person or acknowledging the source of information. That's the brief explanation of what's called plagiarism. And this occurs this happens in different types based on your field of research. And the most common example is what is known as direct plagiarism. Direct plagiarism simply means you picking information from a certain source and fail to acknowledge that person. You're picking information word to word. We call it as to word transcription of information from a certain source into your coursework, copying word by word without changing anything, and don't even cite the author of the work. That's called direct plagiarism. For the case of self-plagiarism here means you are picking. Let's take an example of you're given a coursework last semester, and only last year maybe and this year you're now in year 2, but you're given the same question in the coursework, and you pick the information from the previous coursework. You pick the same answers and then you bring into this coursework, and without consulting the lecturer. That's the best example or the best explanation of self-plagiarism. And we go to mosaic plagiarism. Mosaic plagiarism here is simply you using synonyms or other words that can have the same meaning for the particular word, but you don't change the structure of the statement. The words may look different from the other words, but the structure of the statement remains the same. That's what called mosaic plagiarism. And this happens mainly because of negligence. And the last type of plagiarism that we know of is accidental plagiarism. Accidental plagiarism here, this one is kind of the most understandable type of plagiarism. It mostly happens when you either cite someone or cite an author wrongly, or make your citation wrongly, or simply you can also neglect just cite someone. That's what accidental plagiarism. So having known the types of plagiarism, let's also take a look at the examples of plagiarism in our next slide here. The best examples of plagiarism here, we have on-site plagiarism, on direct plagiarism, and on mosaic plagiarism. This one I explained them in the previous slide, and therefore just pick the knowledge from the previous slide to look into that deeply. And another thing we look at plagiarism here is the common causes of plagiarism, so that we can avoid them. The first cause of plagiarism is procrastination. Here you just simply, or let's say laziness to cite someone, to cite an author or an article. Then another common cause of plagiarism is a complete understanding of material. Of course, you cannot begin citing what you have not understood. Then another example of plagiarism, another cause of plagiarism is citation errors, not knowing how to cite a work or a source or an organization. And the last cause of plagiarism that I may talk of today is poor note taking in terms of conducting study or work. So that's all we have to know about plagiarism. Thank you for your audience. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment my videos. Thank you, and I wish you a nice time.